Can you add a complete smart home solution to a KNX system? Yes, you can, and Control4 is the platform to get it done. After completing this smart skill, you will be able to connect to a KNX system and start working with KNX devices. To connect to a KNX bus system, you'll need an IP to KNX Gateway, a Control4 KNX network driver, a driver for the KNX device you wish to control, and finally the group addresses for the device capabilities. The first step is to add the IP to KNX bus gateway. This enables a Control4 command like turn on light to find its way from the controller to the KNX bus. The gateway also allows device status information such as light level or current temperature to get from the KNX bus back to the controller. Two-way communication is important. Connect the red and black KNX bus wiring and connect a network cable. Some gateways are powered by the KNX bus, some by Power over Ethernet or PoE, and some require a dedicated 30-volt DC power source. This one is powered by PoE. The second step is to add the Control4 KNX network driver to your project in Composer. In System Design, deselect Local Search, select Online Search, and enter KNX. Out of the list of the entries, select the network driver and add it to the project. Once done, you must enter the IP address for the IP to KNX Gateway in the driver properties. As a seasoned professional, you know that this should be an address that will not change. So pick a static one or a DHCP reserved one. Once entered, verify that the connection is made. You can manually connect to and disconnect from the KNX system by selecting the Action tab of the driver. This can be useful to force KNX status updates. The third step is to add a driver for the KNX device you wish to control or get information from. In this case, we'll add a KNX switch driver to control a light. In Composer and in System Design, select Online Search, enter KNX in the search field and hit Enter. Find the KNX switch and add the driver to your project. Establish a connection between this switch driver and the KNX network driver by going to the Connections tab in Composer, selecting the switch's KNX control input and dragging it onto the KNX network driver. You'll do this for every KNX device driver added to the project. Similar to the KNX network driver properties, the switch driver also has properties that need to be set. This brings us to the fourth step. In this fourth and final step, we need to tell the KNX switch driver which address to send on and off commands to, and on which address to listen for the status of the light. This two-way communication process requires KNX group addresses. Group addresses are defined by the KNX installer and entered into the KNX device memory during installation. As a Control4 certified installer, you'll need these addresses to send commands and to be able to receive status information. In our example, we were given the group addresses 251 to send on and off commands to the light, and a group address of 252 to listen on and determine if the light is on or off. Enter these two addresses into the KNX switch's properties. Once done, test that your light can switch on and off and is displayed properly in Navigator. With properly configured control and feedback, Control4 and KNX are connections made easy.